YouTube? D4G here, banging out another video. Hey man, I'm excited, man. I got a fragrance that I'm bringing y'all today. This is a new one from the House of Paris Corner. Now, this is gonna be a clone fragrance that I do think that y'all are gonna enjoy. So y'all already know what to do, man. Grab you a seat, get you some popcorn, and let's get it. So like I said, we got a new package that we're unboxing today. I'm excited about this one. But before we do that, gotta give a shout out to all my new subscribers. If you're new, welcome. Over here on this side of YouTube, we make sure that you're looking good, smelling good, and feeling good through the art of fragrances. So if that's something that you're interested in, make sure that you hit that subscribe button as well as the bell notification so that you can be updated anytime we drop this content. And to all my OG subscribers out there, man, my A1 since day one. Salute, fam. Hope everything is good with you. Man, let's go ahead and get into this fragrance. I'm excited about this one. Now, if I remember correctly, I think this was coming from the House of Paris Corner. And I think I ordered this one from Triple Traders. I think, I'm not too sure, I don't remember. I got a lot of packages coming in. I've been trying to work to bring y'all some new stuff that I know y'all been wanting. The fragrance that we're talking about today is going to be coming from the Shades of Darkness series, and we're talking about When Soul Gets High. When Soul Gets High. Now, like I said, this is coming from Paris Corner, and this is coming from the Shades of Dark series. Now, they got this stuff called like EMIR, I think. It's like a series where they got a lot of EMIRs. I don't know what EMIR stands for, but this is one of the fragrances that's in here. They have a couple of them, and these are all nice clones. It's supposed to be. So let's see what it looks like on the opening. So just so y'all can see the overall presentation. Very nice can. It's not that big at all. Very small, so it's not bad. You got Shades of Darkness series at the top. When Soul Gets High. You have the EMIR logo that I was telling y'all about right there, similar to the Lacoste. And this is a 100 ml eau de parfum concentration. EMIR at the top, and then on the back you have the authenticity sticker as well as little ingredients information. Now let's open this up and see what's in here. Very snugged cap, but oh my gosh, boy, look at this bottle. Jeez, hold up. All right, fam, I like this presentation. Very nice presentation. It even has like a little velvet level on the inside, so the fragrance sits in there. And the outside is very like matte polish finish. All black, matte, black bottle finish. Gold at the top, does have a little tassel up there as well. I like this presentation, man. This is pretty nice. I'll probably keep it inside of that can. Nah, hey, I tell y'all this all the time. Look, if you know, you know. Gotta let it go. Gotta let it go. Hold up, fam. This is not what I was expecting. This is a completely different fragrance. I'm gonna get a touch of strip and we're gonna see what I pick up off nose. But in the air, I was not expecting this to come off this way. Fam, there's a lot that I'm getting in this, man. I'm getting like a sweetness, some berries, almost like a blueberry, blackberry style sweetness. Very nice atomized, by the way. Very nice. I can rock with that. I'm getting some spices like a saffron. Bro, hold on. This fragrance is very interesting. Almost coming off complex in a way. All right, so there's a lot that I'm getting up. I'm getting like a freshness up top, but it's not a fresh dominant fragrance at all. It's definitely more so on the darker side. This can be something that I'm seeing more so evening to nighttime for sure. You definitely want to be in a date night seductive kind of situation and placement with this one. I feel like I'm getting a little bit of like a honey style sweetness as well. There's some honey. It's definitely, it almost smells like it has like a cherry accord or a cherry note. Something cherry related in there as well. Maybe like a tobacco feel. This fragrance is nice. I do like it. It's hella complex. It's a lot going on in this. It's a lot going on. Like my nose is being pulled in a sweet accord like honey. Then I got like a berry accord. So I'm definitely getting some type of fruit. I'm definitely getting the cherry, some type of cherry in there. The background of this fragrance, man, I like it. I like this. I can rock with this. It's not an everyday style scent. Off rip. Don't try to wear this every day, and it's very dark in a way, so this comes out to something that'll be more so suited for those fall and evening times. Definitely a cold weather, even those transitional times, evening to nighttime. Yeah, this is not a daytime fragrance. This is a nice fragrance. Let me get the note breakdown and let's see what we can find that this fragrance actually has, because this is very complex. All right, so here are the notes. And there's no top, mid, like these are the only notes that I could find. You got white honey, tobacco, cherry, vanilla, raspberry, almond. You got gingerbread in this, fam. Amber, tonka bean, nutmeg, benzoin, chamomile, whatever that is, saffron, cardamom, patchouli, French lavdaman, olibanum, oak, Virginia cedar, coriander, geranium, and bergamot. Damn, bro, no wonder why I couldn't pick up shit. There's so much in here. I want to know what that bergamot is gonna smell like in the dry down. But just know, fam, in the opening, really all I'm getting is like a nice raspberry, honey, sweetness mixed with a little bit of a cherry in the background. You can pick up a little bit of tobacco, but not much. It's definitely more so on the fruit side of things, but a dark masculine fruit sense. This is not along the lines of like an amber oud gold edition, nothing like that. It's not fruity. It's not even, I wouldn't even consider this fragrance unisex. This is more so leaning on the masculine side of things than the feminine. Hey, I'm rocking with this, man. This is a winner to me. This is a winner. Very nice fragrance. Now, I would not say that this is one that everybody should go pick up unless you're just trying to have a nice fragrance collection. You like darker style fragrances with a little bit of fruit, something like that. This would be one that I would suggest for those people. You want to be above 25 for sure. I really can't see none of my younger folks out there rocking this and enjoying it. It's more so on the mature side of things. Doesn't have a unisex appeal, so it's definitely gonna be more masculine leaning than it is feminine. But I can rock with this though, man, especially with this presentation that it got. I might just have mine sit in there just like this. All my Paris corners that come like in the EMIR series, I'ma just have them sit like this. Boy, this bitch, look at this bitch. Oh, boy, this bitch gonna look nice on the show. But that's gonna be the video right there, man. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. Do you have this fragrance? And if so, what do you think about it and how does it come off? Do you get that darkness and cherry out in the opening? Or do you get something else to your nose? Let me know down in the comment section and let's see if we can help somebody out. But with all that being said, we about to get up out of here. I hope y'all have a great day. I hope y'all have a phenomenal day. Stay on your square, stay on your purpose. Don't let nobody take you off of it, fam. D4G, truly blessed. That's that for greatness. We out.